Hello everyone, your Reshmi here from Your Rice Passion Soap. You all are doing very good today. Thank you so much for your support as always. And we have already started our own tailoring system. So for any type of customization, designer suit, designer gown, any type of customized blouses, for any type of customization, please contact through WhatsApp. And today I have selected some exclusive, trendy, elegant Dhakai Jamdani collections, Bengal traditional Dhakai Jamdani. So let me display. This one very bright color combinations, blue shade, blue with pink contrast looks, very beautiful one. Soft resham Dhakai Jamdani with beautiful half pattern. This one half portion is pink, this portion is half portion is pink, and all over Dhakai work, and this portion is blue. Trendy smart looks. This one is full base part, blue and pink contrast looks, and fully silk weaving Dhakai work with golden zari weaving buta design. And this portion is border portions, Bengal traditional Dhakai Jamdani weaving. And this one is pallu portions, upper base part to pallu portion is blue shade with beautiful silk weaving Dhakai work, and half portion is split section is pink. This portion is pink, same Dhakai work all over. Very trendy smart looks. And Dhakai Jamdani without running blouse piece, only sari length. And I will suggest this contrast blouse piece, golden shade heavy brocade work, silk material contrast blouse piece with this sari for your outstanding looks. And this one also very beautiful one, very nice color combinations, green shade, parrot green, light parrot green shade with beautiful Dhakai contrast color threaded Dhakai Jamdani work, heavy work, and soft resham Dhakai Jamdani without running blouse piece. And this one full base part, and this one is border portions, bottom portions, heavy fine Dhakai Jamdani weaving work, contrast color Dhakai Jamdani work, very nice one. And this one full base part, beautiful Dhakai weaving buta design, very nice trendy looks. This one is full base part, heavy work fully. And this one pallu portions, fully contrast color, fine weaving design Dhakai Jamdani work, pallu, very trendy and bright looks. This portion is upper border, and this portion is bottom border, very nice on lower border, very trendy looks. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this sari for your exclusive trendy smart looks. And this one very bright color combinations, pink shade, bright pink with yellow contrast looks. And this one full base part, very nice one. This one is yellow shade, bright yellow silk weaving Dhakai work, upper base part yellow shade. This one fully border portions Dhakai Jamdani work. This one is full base. And this one half portion split section, bright fresh pink shade. This one is patli pallu pattern. This portion is split section, pink, bright pink with silk weaving Dhakai work. This portion is upper base part, patli pallu pattern without running blouse piece, and same pink shade pallu. This portion is pallu portions, contrast pink with Dhakai Jamdani work, and same split section patli pallu pattern. And this portion is upper base part yellow shade, very nice bright looks. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this sari for your outstanding looks. For sewing your blouse, customize your blouse, please contact through WhatsApp. Very beautiful and bright color combinations, fresh yellow shade, soft resham Dhakai Jamdani with beautiful buta work, full base part Dhakai buta, full all over Dhakai buta. And this one border portions, beautiful stripes pattern, fine Dhakai Jamdani weaving pattern, stripes border. And this one is full base part, beautiful buta. And this one pallu portions, fully fine Dhakai Jamdani contrast color threaded Dhakai Jamdani work, and very soft comfortable soft resham Dhakai Jamdani without running blouse piece, only sari length, and fully fine Jamdani work, Dhakai Jamdani work, very nice looks. And this one full base part is beautiful bright fresh yellow shade contrast color buta, very trendy and smart looks. And I will suggest this contrast blouse piece, silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this sari for your exclusive smart trendy looks. and this one very bright one, same material, Dhakai Jamdani, Bengal traditional Dhakai Jamdani, soft Resham Dhakai with fine weaving Dhakai work, very nice one. This one full base part, fresh magenta pink shade. This portion is upper base part, fully fresh magenta shade with beautiful self weaving Dhakai work, soft Resham Dhakai Jamdani. And this one pallu portions, contrast color stripes with beautiful Dhakai Jamdani work. This one is pallu portions, contrast color stripes with weaving Dhakai Jamdani work. And this one full base part, this portion is upper base part, magenta pink shade with self weaving Dhakai work. And this one is split section, patli pallu pattern, splits and pallu, same stripes with Dhakai work. Very trendy, smart look, soft, lightweight, without running blouse piece. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy Banarasi weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this one for your exclusive, smart but elegant looks. So very beautiful bright color combinations, navy blue shades, self weaving heavy Dhakai work, all over Dhakai Jamdani work. And this one let me open. This one is full base part, bright color, bright navy blue shade with beautiful self Dhakai weaving work, full base part. And this one border portions, fully traditional Dhakai Jamdani work border with highlighted golden zari floral border, very trendy looks, and all over Dhakai Jamdani work. Very nice one, bright looks. And this one full base part without running blouse piece, only sari length. And this one is pallu portions, self weaving Dhakai Jamdani work, heavy work pallu. And this one is full base. And I will suggest this silk material, self weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this for your outstanding traditional looks. And keep browsing our website. Daily we are uploading new collections over there, so please keep browsing our website. You can make online order through our website also. And this one very beautiful one, very nice color combination, soft Resham Dhakai Jamdani with beautiful Dhakai work. Let me open. This one full base part without running blouse piece. This portion is yellow shade with self weaving Dhakai work all over. And this one is border portions, temple pattern Dhakai Jamdani work. And this one pallu portions, contrast contrast pink shaded with beautiful Dhakai work pallu, soft Resham Dhakai Jamdani. And this one is full base part. This portion is upper base part, and this portion is half portion, split section, patli pallu pattern. This portion is splits with beautiful Dhakai weaving buta work. And this portion is upper base part, yellow shade, and this portion is pallu, patli pallu pattern. Very nice trendy looks. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this for your exclusive looks. And this one very beautiful one, very elegant looks, off-white base with beautiful self weaving Dhakai work, same material, soft Resham Dhakai Jamdani. And this one full base part, beautiful Dhakai Jamdani work all over. And this one transparent, semi-transparent with beautiful temple pattern border design. And full base part is white base, self weaving Dhakai work all over. And this one is full base part, beautiful one without running blouse piece, only sari length. And this one is pallu portions, very elegant looks, contrast color stripes pattern with heavy Dhakai Jamdani work pallu. Base is white and contrast pallu, very nice one. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with sari for your exclusive looks and traditional also. And this one very beautiful one, silk cotton material, pure handloom silk cotton with heavy weaving work, white base, red contrast Dhakai Jamdani work all over. This one is full base part, and this one is border portions, fully contrast color, threaded weaving Dhakai work. And this one pallu portions, fully fine Dhakai Jamdani work and very bright looks. And this one is full base part, beautiful Dhakai Jamdani work all over without running blouse piece, only sari length. And I will suggest this silk material, Banarasi weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this sari for your exclusive trendy looks. For customize your blouse, designer blouse, please contact through WhatsApp. very beautiful one, bright color combination, sky blue shade with beautiful Dhakai weaving border and buta design with traditional trendy looks. This one, full base part soft resham Dhakai jamdani, and this one is border portions, beautiful fine Dhakai weaving border, and full base part is beautiful Dhakai jamdani buta work, very smart fresh looks, traditional also. This one is full base part is same Dhakai jamdani buta work, and this one pallu portions, fully contrast color white threaded Dhakai jamdani heavy work pallu. This one is pallu portions, fully Dhakai jamdani work, and this one full base part, very trendy looks, traditional also. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. And this one also very beautiful one, bright color combinations, yellow and red contrast looks. And this one very bright one, this one is full base part, yellow base, this one is yellow base, beautiful self weaving Dhakai work, and this one is border portions, beautiful Dhakai jamdani traditional border, and full base part is self weaving Dhakai work. And this one pallu portions, yellow shade with self weaving Dhakai jamdani work pallu, and this one full base part, upper base part yellow shade, and this one is half portion split section red shade, red and yellow contrast looks, very bright one. This one is half portions red and half portion is yellow, very nice one, without running blouse piece, only saree length. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding smart elegant looks. And today I have tripped a beautiful saree, very elegant color combination, soft resham Dhakai jamdani with heavy work. This portion is border portions, contrast color Dhakai weaving work border, and full base part is buta, same material, soft resham Dhakai jamdani. And this one pallu portions, fully Dhakai jamdani weaving design work pallu, bright fresh looks and very elegant also, beautiful saree, beautiful jewelry. If you want same saree with same jewelry, please contact through WhatsApp. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, keep browsing our website, stay healthy, have a good day, take care. Thank you so much.